So students, the next format type that I want to bring it to your attention is what is called as ASH. Now let us go to this ASH, and before I could go to the ASH format type, let me introduce a number, say the same number 3.143, and click enter. Now, if I were to use the zero format, custom zero format type, say I go here, I type it as 0.0000. So after decimal, I've given 4 zeros and I give OK. You see that there is an additional 0 that is being placed here. Now let me go still further and go to custom type, and instead of 4 zeros, I'm placing 2 more zeros. I'm clicking enter. So now the value is 3.143000. So what Excel does here is, when we have the specification as 0, the zero formatting type under custom, it forcibly adds a 0. Now this is where the channel specification or the ASH specification becomes different. Now if I were to go to ASH specification, say let me give the example as 3.14, say 3.143, right? So this is the value that we gave here. So I am placing the mouse on the cell and placing Control 1. I'm going to custom and clicking this. I'm going to be using just after the decimal, I'm going to just use 2 ASHs or 2 channels. So channel, and I'm going to click enter. Now what happens here? 3.143 becomes 3.14. So let me press Control 1, custom. I'm going here. So channel or ASH dot channel. So after the decimal, 3 channels are there. So the value is retained as 3.143. Now let me press Control 1. I'm going to reduce 2 channels or 2 ASHs and press enter. So the data becomes 3.1. Now I'm going to place after the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ASHs are placed here. In fact, making the total number of ASHs as 5. So after decimal, I've got 5 ASHs. Now, if I were to press OK, just that number 3.143 is placed, and there are no additional zeros here. So that is the important point. Now, if I were to convert this data type to say after the decimal, if I were to use it, this format specification, zero format specification, after a decimal, if I were to place 6 zeros and press enter, you see that addition, forcibly Excel places the extra zeros here. But if I were to change the format specification to ASH, and even though I got what after decimal, let me place 6 channels, 3 more channels, 3 more ASHs, and click enter. There's no change at all. So that is the splitting difference between zero formatting and ASH formatting. So